Colleen and welcome to my channel. I'm just a girl who's enthusiastic about makeup and positivity, and when I say positivity I mean bringing people up, not pushing people down. Being mean is not cool. Awesome people are not mean, so be kind all the time. So I hope you guys are having a wonderful day so far. Mine's going, as I always say. Seeing that it is now June 1st, so happy Pride Month, hence the new flag back there. LGBTQIA plus rights are something that are very, very, very dear to my heart and important to me. I am an ally. I am just, I'm a cis straight white female, but I don't think I mentioned this on here, but both my brother and sister are a member of the LGBTQ plus IA community. I know I probably said that wrong and I apologize. And it's really, really important to me that I show support for that community. There's a lot of stuff going on in this country right now that's just absolutely terrible. And, you know, I'm one of those people that I'm not going to treat you different because you have different color skin, or you practice a different religion, or you love, you know, someone of the same sex, or whatever, or you're transgender. I judge people on the individual person. If you're a good person and you're a nice person, I like you. A douchebag's a douchebag, no matter who they are. I mean, it is what it is. At the end of the day, we really just need love. Love is all you need. Love wins, because love is not racist. Love is not transphobic. Love is not homophobic. Love is not anti-Semitic. Love just is love. And it's the most powerful thing in the world. And I think that's what this country needs. I know I rambled a little bit, but yeah. I'm going to link, last year I posted an article that I wrote on my website. I'm going to link it below, where I talked about why I'm an ally and why I chose to be an ally and all this kind of stuff about why it's so important to me. But it is important to me because my brother and sister and everyone else in the LGBTQIA plus community deserve to be treated with respect and compassion and love, because they are no different than me and you. And that goes for also everyone in minority groups and, you know, everything. You don't judge somebody just because they look different than you. Anyway, I am going to now go into the video. I just wanted to say that for this video, I thought that I would do an almost full face of makeup that I got from subscription boxes. I did my face off camera just because I didn't have a foundation or a concealer, or yeah, that were part of that I got from a subscription box. So I just did that, but I will show you what I used from a subscription box that is on my face. I used this blush that I actually believe I think I got this in a, I can't remember if this was Birchbox or Boxycharm, but it is from Elizabeth Mott Cosmetics. It's a pretty soft blush. I actually really, really like this blush. It's actually on the light side, which is kind of nice. I mean, you're actually not even sure if you'll be able to see it on camera. It's just very light, but it's very pretty. You can actually see it on my cheeks better. For my highlight, I used this color Moonshine from Mott. It's a very, very soft highlight, but it is very, very pretty. I also used their Instant Brow pencil for my brows today. For my setting spray, I used this Power Up from In Beauty Project. This is the one that I like, but it sprays weird. I played around with it, like tried to fix the spray, but it just sprays weird. But I think like overall it works nice, so I'm not too mad about it. And for another highlight that I used under my powders and stuff, I used this Steve Laurant highlight right here, which is actually really pretty. It's a little dark for me, so I put it on under. So it gives me kind of like a dewier glow when I put on my makeup. And for setting powder, I used the Ciate London Everyday Vacay setting powder. I love this setting powder. I am considering actually purchasing the setting powder when I'm done with it, because I actually really, really enjoy it. It's actually one of my favorite things I've gotten from a subscription box, which I know is weird, but I love it. It smells good, it goes on nice, it's light. I really like it. So for my eyes, I figured I would use this palette that I got in one of my Boxycharms. It is from I guess their house brand. I've never used this palette before. I've swatched it a few times, but I always kept forgetting to use it. So it looks like this. It's very, very pretty. I'm excited to use it. I've actually heard some decent things about how it performs, so I'm pretty psyched to try it. So I'm gonna stop rambling and we're going to get into creating a subscription box look. So I started off by priming my eyes using this Pretty Vulgar eye primer that I got in my Boxycharm. It works pretty good. It's not like my I definitely don't like it. I wouldn't say it's like my favorite. I still like the PLEs the best, but this isn't bad. And I figured since I'm trying to do like a entire, you know, almost full face of stuff I got in subscription boxes, I would definitely use this, and I dropped it on the floor. So I'm going to dip into this Boxycharm box, and I'm actually going to, I actually am using brushes too that I got in my Boxycharms. This is from Lavish Beauty. This is a tapered blending, and I'm going to dip into this color Premium right here, which I'll show you. It's a pretty, just like basic like matte color. I mean basic beige color, and it's a matte. So I'm just going to go back and forth on my mobile lid in my crease area. I was like totally holding that brush really weird. I'm not really sure what was going on there. It's going on decently. I wouldn't say it's the best that I've used. I don't know if it's because of the primer too, but I mean it's definitely going on, and it has some pigment. Finding it to be a little patchy, but that could just be me. I'm kind of far from the camera. And I feel like I am having to go in to build up the coverage. I mean, it is a light color, but I'm just giving you my thoughts as I go. It's definitely not terrible though. Okay, so it's looking like that so far. And now, there was a decent amount of kick up in the pan, but that's okay. I'm going to go into this color Cup of Joe right here, which is a darker brown. Show that to you. It's very nice. And then I'm just gonna pick that up on another brush that I got from my Boxycharm. This is a Moda BMX 466 shader brush. And I'm gonna focus that more on the lower part of my crease area. And I'm just going to take this clean brush, although it looks a little stained, and I'm just going to run it through the two colors just to kind of blend them out a little bit. And then for my brow bone, I'm going to go into this color Pop Up right here, which is a nice shimmery color. I'll show you here. Very pretty. And then I want to take a little bit of Premium again and just kind of blend it through so Pop Up and Premium are transitioning to each other smoothly. So off camera, I just cut my crease with my P. Louise base, and now I'm going to go into this white color Boxy right here with a flat brush that I actually got from, I think, Shop Miss A. This one is not from any Boxycharm or anything. I'm just going to set the P. Louise base where I cut the crease. I cut my crease off camera because I'm not very good at cutting my crease. So I need like both hands. To cut my crease, I did use a brush that I got from a Boxycharm. It's the Lavish eye shading brush right here. So now I'm going to go into a Mott detail brush, and I'm going to go into that color Cup of Joe, which is the darker brown that I use. And I'm just going to go along the tops where the cut crease and Cup of Joe met, and I'm just going to smooth it out a little bit. Like that. And now I want to add a little bit of glitter to my look. It's more of like a metallic glitter. It's not like a pressed glitter. It's just the glitter from the palette. There is actually pressed glitter in the palette, but I'm not using that today. So I am just going to go in with my glitter glue right here. And I'm going to take the small brush that I always use, and I'm going to apply that over where I did my cut crease. So just like that. And the color that I want to go into is this color full size right here. I'll show you, I'll give you. It's just a really cool color that I've been like wanting to use. So I'm like, I have to use that one if I'm going to do a look with this palette. And then I'm just going to apply it, obviously, everywhere I applied the glitter glue. So pretty much all over my mobile lid. I am getting a decent amount of fallout, but that's okay. I have a feeling it'll be very easy to clean up. So like that, and then I just want to take the smaller brush that I had, Cup of Joe, on, and just go over where they meet again to just kind of smooth it out. They're not going to transition like beautifully together, but that's okay for this look. So it's going to look like this so far. So off camera, I just went in with Fenty's, you would think I'd remember this, and I don't. Fly Pencil Longwear Pencil Eyeliner in the color Lady Lagoon on my waterline. And now I'm going to grab a brush that I also got in a Boxycharm a while ago, and I'm going to go back into that color Cup of Joe, and I'm going to apply that under my lower lash line. Which is applied absolutely beautifully under my lower lash line. This brush too is from the same set that I just used the mini round one from. And then, because I hate myself, I'm gonna go into that pressed glitter, which is that swipe up right here, and I'm gonna pick it up with this little brush right here, and I'm going to apply that to my inner corner because I like playing on the wild side. It actually applies like really, except when I just got this one right here. It actually applies like halfway decently to your inner corner. Like it applies really like smoothly, and it just looks really pretty like that. So this is my final look right here. I think it's fun, you know, it's a fun different look. I'm glad I finally got a chance to use that palette. Just from my first impressions on using it for the first time, I think it's a halfway decent palette. I wouldn't say it's the best palette that I've ever used, but the colors were very smooth. They are a little bit powdery, but they are very pretty, and they did blend out nice on my eyes, so I do like them. I found the pressed glitter actually to be pretty decent. It's not falling so far. For my lips, to finish everything off, I just went in with this NARS lipstick in Low Rider that I got from a Boxycharm, I think 1 or 2 months ago, because I wanted to keep with the whole trying to do as much from subscription boxes as I could. So this is it. Yeah, it's a fun look. It goes with my outfit, which you can't see. It's a fun little Tinkerbell shirt. But anyway, so if you like this video, please feel free to give it a like. If you really, really like this video, please feel free to subscribe. If you want to do either one of those things, that is totally fine. Thank you for stopping by and sharing this minute with me. I really, really appreciate you guys. Thank you so, so much. As always, I will list everything that I'm wearing on my face, as well as my Twitter and Instagram handles, in case you want to follow me there. I post pictures of looks that I do not film, as well as pictures of my pets. And I think they are adorable, but of course we are all biased when it comes to our fur babies, but So anyway, from one makeup lover to another, I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and remember, be you, do you, love you, bye.